You're totally using VWAP wrong, and it's not your fault. Most traders only scratch the surface of what this powerful indicator can actually do. But what if I told you there's a way to unlock multi-timeframe VWAPs on one chart? Clearly labeled and ridiculously useful. Whether you scalp, swing, or hedge, this version gives you the edge you didn't know you were missing. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to get it for free, how to set it up, and how it could change your trading starting today. Let's dive in. First, let's break down what VWAP actually is. VWAP stands for volume-weighted average price. Unlike other indicators that simply averages out the price over a specified period, such as a simple moving average, the VWAP blends both price and volume to show the true average price a security has traded at throughout the day. Think of it like this. It tells you where the majority of money changed hands. That level often acts like a magnet, pulling price back toward it. That's why traders love using it to spot smart entries and exits. Most people plot VWAP from the daily open, but it doesn't have to stop there. Some traders use weekly, monthly, even yearly anchors, turning a simple line into a full-blown multi-timeframe strategy. And that's exactly where this upgraded indicator comes in. Once you add this indicator to your chart, you'll instantly see multiple VWAP levels appear, each calculated from different timeframes. They're color-coded for quick recognition, and right next to each level you'll spot a label showing three things: the start date of the VWAP, the period it's based on, and the current price level. Now here's a cool detail. Beside each period, there's a number. That number tells you the look-back depth. So if you see weekly 3, that means the VWAP line is calculated from 3 weeks ago. Super helpful for context. If you head into the settings, you'll see separate sections for daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly VWAPs. Each has the same set of options. First up, 2 checkboxes. One for plotting the VWAP close level, and one for the origin line, which draws the entire path from the starting point. Want a cleaner chart? Just toggle off the origin line and keep only the latest close. You'll also find a VWAP source drop-down that lets you choose how the VWAP is calculated, and a historical closes input that controls how many look-back levels you want displayed. Set it to 3 on the daily time frame, and you'll see the last 3 daily VWAPs plotted on your chart. And if visuals matter to you, as they should, scroll down to the themes section. Here you can quickly switch between day, night, or custom mode, matching your VWAP lines with your chart style for better visibility. Now that you know what this upgraded VWAP indicator can do, the big question is, how do you actually use it in real trades? Well, there are 2 powerful ways most traders apply VWAP in their strategy. The first way to use VWAP is as a mean reversion target, because, as we mentioned earlier, VWAP often acts like a price magnet. In this example, we're on the 1-hour chart, with the 3-week VWAP level enabled. Price is currently trading well below that level, but here's where it gets interesting. We're also tapping into a daily order block, which has a strong cluster of buyers. This block was identified using our Price Action Concepts toolkit, which doesn't just detect order blocks, it also analyzes the buyer-seller delta at each level. So what's the play? We've now seen the price bounce off this order block twice. That's confluence. It gives us a logical entry point with a stop just below the entry candle and a clear target, the 3-week VWAP zone. As price climbs, notice how it pulls back and reacts to the 1-week VWAP first, literally bouncing off it. This shows just how magnetic these VWAP levels can be. Eventually, price continues to gravitate toward the 3-week VWAP, our original target. And while this happens, the 3-week VWAP level is also updated where we're now trading above it, and it now begins to act as support as we move towards our original target. That brings us to the second powerful way traders use VWAP, as a directional bias filter. It's simple. If the price is trading above VWAP, you lean bullish. If it's below, you lean bearish. But context is everything. Let's look at what that means. We're still on the 1-hour chart, but this time we've enabled the monthly VWAP. Now, price is clearly trading below it, which might suggest a bearish bias. But when we zoom out to the daily time frame, the structure is actually bullish. So instead of shorting below VWAP, we're going to wait. We hold off until price reclaims the VWAP, then look for confirmation above it. Once that happens, we've got both structure and VWAP aligned, and now we can catch a much cleaner move in the direction of the broader trend. These confirmation signals come from our Signals and Overlays toolkit, which also includes a suite of overlays to help you time your entries and manage your trades with smart trailing logic. And that's the VWAP Periodic Close indicator, a smarter, cleaner way to track multi-timeframe VWAP levels with real clarity and precision. You can start using it for free right now at LuxAlgo.com. And if you liked the confirmation signals and order block analysis we used in this video, those come from the Signals and Overlays and the Price Action Concepts toolkit, both built to help you find high-conviction trades and manage them with confidence. Plus, with your access, you'll also unlock the oscillator matrix, perfect for advanced volume analysis and momentum confirmation. Everything's risk-free for 30 days at LuxAlgo.com. Follow us on X for daily setups, pro tips, and chart breakdowns. Thanks for watching. Trade smart, stay focused, and we'll catch you in the next one.